Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Any idea who these two fellows might be?
Will that
Hey,
be who
Stephanie, can I
that
have a
looks
glass
like?
of water,
Oh,
please?
absolutely.
That looks
The
like,
bottles in the refrigerator,
Yep.
stuff.
You don't want.
Oh,
water,
what the
it's
heck.
well water.
he came from Molasses Hill.
Where's that?
Eddie Barron.
Does look like it.
Sure, it's
Which one?
I'll bet you it is, the short guy.
Uh-huh.
He came
It's got a
from,
red. If it's got a red top on it, why that means it's Charlie's.
That one's open, isn't it?
you know where the Major's
think
place
any of
is, top of Molasses Hill there. Out at Dundee. The Grove,
That's right.
Brooks Grove, I guess
Yeah,
they call
Brooks
it
Grove,
now.
yep.
Well, he and his family lived in that first house just going south, just before you get to the road that goes over back. But he was our janitor in school and in the church up home, and for what, 30 years,
Oh,
40?
yeah. That sure looks like him.
But this guy here, I've seen him, but I can't put a handle on him right now. But that looks,
That
With
looks like
the-
about 1930 or so, you think?
I think
well,
so.
there's a 1931 Ford right in there.
Is that what that is?
Yep.
Yeah.
One like Uncle Tip used to have, only his was a convertible.
Now, this, I believe, would have been the ice house. Is that right?
Yep.
And I just wondered, would they have taken ice off the creek, or would they have just bought ice?
No. Well, I say no. I don't know anything about it, but we had an ice house used to stand right where that pine tree is outside that kitchen window, and they used to haul ice from the river
Well,
in the wintertime.